Hey everyone, Minnie here. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. When you guys see this video, it is going to be on Saturday, so Valentine's Day will already be gone, but I hope everyone had a happy and a safe Valentine's Day and slash weekend, because I know not everybody is going to be able to celebrate Valentine's Day today. I am one of those ones. I did have to work earlier today, guys, and hubby unfortunately had to work night shift this weekend, so we're probably not going to get a chance to celebrate Valentine's Day until Sunday or Monday, but that's okay, because as you guys can see in the background, we already exchanged our Valentine's gifts, and I am super excited to share with you guys what I got. So if you guys want to see what your girl got, please make sure to stay tuned. But before I share with you guys all the items I got, if you are new here or if you are returning and for some reason you still have not yet clicked that subscribe button, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, as well as like this video and leave a nice comment down below. And without further ado, we are going to jump into the unboxings, okay? Or unbaggings, I should say. So the first item, guys, that I want to share with you guys is an item that I picked up off of the Coach outlet site. Now, I picked this up, of course, when they had the Coach Cherry Denim drop a couple of weeks ago, and this particular item wasn't in store, so I had to pick it up online, and it finally came in last week Tuesday, so I am going to share with you guys what I got. Okay, all right, so this is how it came packaged, and I did pick up the Nolita barrel bag in the signature denim, so hopefully you guys will be able to see that. That is the item that I picked up, and I actually only wanted one more item, guys, which was the small coin case, but of course when I went to go pick it up, it was already sold out. So I probably will check and see if my Coach outlet store has it, but if not, I'm still fine because I was able to get everything I wanted. So this is how it came packaged. And I wanted to try out the Nolita barrel bag because I already love this shape of bag. So I wanted to check this out to see if I would want to purchase more of these in the near future. And I could already tell you, your girl will be, okay? So this is how it looks. And I know you guys are probably tired of seeing this denim collection, so I'm going to be quick. But that is just how it looks. It does have the blue leather script here on the bottom. It has the gold hardware. It comes with the vachetta or vachetta, however you say it. Shoulder strap here as well too. And let me take off all these additional stuff. And you can wear this as a wristlet here on this side, or you can attach it here on this side. It does have the lobster clamp, and it fits on your shoulder like so. Your girl got some big arms, so yeah, I will probably either do a purse extender, but I am going to do a separate video, guys, showing you guys how you can change this into a crossbody, a longer shoulder, as well as a short shoulder with the extender on here as well too. So definitely stay tuned for that with the small Rowan bag charm as well too, guys. Okay, and really quickly I will just share with you guys what it looks like in the inside. So this is just the inside. It does have the Coach Creed on the back, and then it has that nice light blue denim interior, which I absolutely love, and makes it very easy to see inside of the bags. Okay, and that is just what the zipper pull looks like. And on the opposite side, it does have the Coach hang tag as well as the cherry charm. So let me get all of that off, and I will share that with you guys. So there is the cherry charm as well as the hang tag. And this one does have the C on it as well too, but it is not it is detachable, guys, but it's not, the hang tag is detachable but not the cherry. So you would have to buy like some little D-rings if you want to detach it, and put like a little hook on the end of the cherry if you want to use it on other bags or accessories. Okay, so that is my cute Nolita barrel in the denim collection. Super excited to have this in my collection. Okay, so let's get into what we came here for, guys, which is my V-Day gifts. Okay, so my husband picked up 2 items for me. So the first bag that I got is a pair of shoes, guys. And this is my first pair of Michael Kors shoes, guys. I don't think I've ever had a pair of Michael Kors tennis shoes or dress shoes, heels, any of that. But when I saw this particular one on the site, I knew I wanted this one. So I went in store. They did have it in my size. Now, I will say I tried it on in store, and I'm glad I went up a size, because the size that I went up to fits me more comfortably. I have wide feet, so yeah, going up a size really did help a lot. These are the Katrina Wedge trainer in the ombre Michael Kors signature in the Dragonfruit color. And it is in a size 11. Yes, I did say a size 11. But y'all, I am super excited. When I saw these, okay, so these weren't originally the ones that I want, because they do have 3 Dragonfruit color sneakers, and I will try to put a picture up on the screen of the 3 different ones. Now, they also had the one that has sequins on it, but they didn't have that one in my size, so I had to pick these up instead. So this is just how it looks in the box. These are so cute, guys. I am loving it. And this is just how they look. I love that pink and white. Now, if you guys have been watching me for a while, you know I'm not crazy about anything that has a whole bunch of white in it. But we're going to see how we're going to get through these, okay? So, yeah, but I am absolutely loving this. It does have that dragon fruit interior as well, too, on the sole and on the tongue. And then it also has it on the bottom as well, too. And then it does have the ombre effect here on both sides of the shoes with the MK. And then, of course, the MK is here on the front of the shoes as well, too. So absolutely love these, y'all. And these were on sale for $89, and Michael Kors Outlet did have an additional 20% off, guys. Absolutely cute. And these are the Katrina trainers, okay? And that dragon fruit color. All right, guys, so let's check out the second bag that I got for Valentine's Day. And this is a bag that I was eyeing since January, guys. And when hubby asked me what I wanted for Valentine's back in January, I was like, oh, I already know what I wanted. So this was a no-brainer, but I wasn't sure if this bag was still available. So when I went in the store on Thursday and saw that it was still available, I was like, yeah, can you grab me from one out the back and put it on hold, please? So I am excited to have this beautiful bag in my collection. And this is the Michael Kors duffel bag in Dragonfruit. Okay. Oh, y'all, this bag is absolutely beautiful. And not gonna lie, it was between this one and their tote bag, but your girl had to pick up the duffel bag because I'm into duffel bags now. Duffel and tote bags. And yeah, I only have, I think I only got one Michael Kors duffel bag. So yeah, I had to get this. Had to pick it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and take all this wrapping off so we can see this beautiful bag more in detail. Now this does have like that pebbled texture to it. As you can see, it does come with a slip pocket here in the front. All the hardware is in that beautiful silver, and I'm loving this silver against this dragon fruit. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now, the other thing I love about Michael Kors duffel bag is I love how the zipper comes down on the side as well too. Now, this bag does not have feet, and I really wish Michael Kors would put some feet on their duffel bags, like for real, for real. And it does come with the top handle. So let's take a peek in the inside. You can get all this stuffing out. Now it does come with a crossbody as well. All right. So that is the inside. It does have that really light tan interior. That way you can definitely see in the inside of the bag. It does come with the back zipper compartment as well too. So there goes the back zipper compartment. And then on the front wall, you don't get any slip pockets whatsoever. All right, so let's check out the crossbody that it comes with. And this one, I believe, is like the skinnier crossbody strap, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so let's stick that up there. This is the skinnier one. It is adjustable as well as detachable. And the hardware on here is in silver. So we're going to go ahead and attach that really quickly. All right. And I believe it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes in it. And it is in the middle hole. All right. So this is just what it looks like on me really quickly. So you guys can see if I was to do a crossbody. That's just what it looks like. Okay. All right, guys. So I am absolutely loving this bag, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love Michael Kors duffel bags, and this was $99 with an additional 20% off, guys. Absolutely love it. Look at this paired with this shoes. Just gorgeous, y'all. I am super excited. Now, they did have a dress in there as well that had the ombre effect on it as well, too. I was thinking about picking it up, but unfortunately, they did not have that in my size, so your girl couldn't pick it up. But I will be finding an outfit to pair this set with, but this is absolutely gorgeous, 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 y'all. I am loving this Dragonfruit collection. It does remind me of Michael Kors Electric Pink. And actually, I think I have my electric pink bag. Hold on a second, guys. All right, guys. So this is my electric pink tote bag, the mini tote bag. And that's the Dragonfruit. So just so you guys can see, this pairs really well with that electric pink as well too, guys. I mean, I can definitely rock these tennis shoes with this bag as well too. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, so this is my Valentine's gift that I got from hubby. Super excited. All right, guys, so I will try to make sure to leave the dimensions of the bag somewhere on the screen for you as well, too, if you guys are interested. And if it is available online, I will leave a link down in the description box. But the last time I checked, this bag was not available online, but it is available in stores. So if you are interested in the Jet Set Travel Duffel Bag in the color Dragonfruit, please make sure to go check out your Michael Kors outlet while they have this on sale with an additional 20% off, guys. Okay? All right, guys. So if you have stuck with your girl this long, please make sure to go ahead and like this video as well as subscribe if you're not already, because say it with me, it is absolutely free, guys. So click that subscribe button because it is absolutely free. As well as make sure to chime down in the comments. Let me know if any of you have a Michael Kors tennis shoe or a Michael Kors duffel bag, and let me know your thoughts on it, guys. I will come back and give you guys a true review on the sneakers once I already wore it a couple of times, to let you guys know if I would be interested in purchasing another one. All right, guys, so until the next time, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.